Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert URL to PDF asynchronously with PDF.co web API using PHP. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you the web page that we're going to convert for this tutorial. Now, prepare the sample PHP code that you're going to use. Make sure to change the API key with your own. Once you're done, you may now run the program into your local host. The program runs successfully. You will be given an output link to view and download the converted PDF. Here's what the output PDF looks like. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.